I'm sharing here my experience in learning dealing with the change management while we implemented AI and ML forecasts for our region, one of our region in Novartis as a big pharma company. At Novartis, we replaced the bottom-up exercise for budgeting with AI-led planning and introduced one financial planning. This means that we aimed to reduce the time spending on bottom-up exercise for budget preparation, minimizing the slide preparation for presentation and alignment, and saving the time for the commercial team especially to focus externally to win for patients and support more patients in the market. We asked the commercial team to operationalize the AI result and the numbers generated by AI based on the historical trend and given the features that was provided to the AI as a simple model. Although the ML forecast demonstrated superior accuracy in the backtesting, and AI models had promising outcome, but in the first place, the commercial team did not accept the result. So if we can move to the next slide. Trying to understand what's the drivers here and why we are missing the alignment from the commercial team. We realized that the commercial team, especially the sales team, couldn't trust the result because they couldn't understand the processes here. And the other big element factor here was the fear of job displacement. So they're afraid that AI will replace them and AI will do the exercise for them. And they don't have any control on this target, especially when it's dealing with the sales target. The salespeople were cautious and had more attention to the numbers. So we realized that they were not involved and lack of enough involvement from the beginning of the process of the projection was one of the barriers here. So overcoming those challenges, we came up with an ideas and the solution, and maybe we can move to the next slide. We realized that the education and communication is one of the key here to accelerate and process the change management. We started with explaining the benefit of AI and ML in sales forecasting. Communication should include the explanation of the data sources, algorithm, and the methodology that we use for AI. This transparency helped the stakeholders trust on the AI result and recommendation and in whole the budget process. And we ensured that the AI ML model are tested. So the numbers should be validated and their performance is transparency communicated. Transparency in AI-driven budget is crucial for building trust among the different stakeholders here. At least that was a case for us. And we proactively address the misconceptions and highlight potential improvement in the model. So the models cannot be perfect at the first place. That's why we ask for the commercial and sales team to be involved to create a kind of co-creating model. So we involve the commercial team in the process to build trust, seek their feedback, and work on a model in a way that make it more understandable for our team. So different stakeholders within the organization may have varying objectives, priorities, and expectation related to the budgeting. And AI implementation can be a challenge at the beginning. That's why we involve the commercial team to co-create the model. And we highlight the empowering of the people and the human here. The AI is an empowering tool, not a replacement tool. It's a tool to enhance the commercial team's capabilities, and it can be remove the repetitive task or simple analysis for them. Then they can focus on the more value delivery task in the field. That was a missing part that we highlighted in the change management process. And communication and refreshment training was the key as well. Here we need sometimes upskilling or reskilling the workforce dealing with the AI or the AI results to understand the model, to understand the result, and to understand that how to interpret the result of the AI. That's why we ask our commercial team to be involved in the process and to deal with the data science even. Maybe next slide. Here is how we can communicate with the data science, because the commercial team and the data science team, they both speak different languages. We ask our sales team and commercial team to share all their own business knowledge. Basically, based on the business knowledge transfer from the commercial team to the data science, we make a bridge between these two teams and provide the facts about the business, not just the assumption. The models run based on the facts, and define the end user based KPIs, why we are implementing the AI model, why we are leveraging the machine learning forecast here, what's the aim here, and what is our goal. It's not a replacement, it's just free up the time for the team to focus externally and win for the patient, which is a goal for Novartis and all the pharma companies. And remain realistic. The AI cannot do the magic. At the end, it's a human job to interpret the AI recommendations, AI models, and achieve the targets for the cells. Last slide, please. So in overall, we aimed to enhance the planning by leveraging the ML forecast with AI decision thinking and switching the mindset of the organization on data-driven insight. So we try to prioritize the culture of data collection, analysis, and data-driven informed decision-making here. Implementing a robust change management strategy that can include clear communication, stakeholder management, and addressing employees' concern. We create a change management team responsible for guiding the entire organization through this journey and digital transformation. So involving human experts here is the key as well to complete the AI result and capabilities. Both AI and human experts are working together to explore through the data and going beyond the surface level insight. And the last thing, leveraging AI, is to drive the forecast accuracy and compelling the storytelling from the FP&A. We are using AI technology to enhance the accuracy of our forecast and then translate this insight into engaging and compelling a story.